Hi, I'm Mark from RV Mega. Today I'm going to show you how to operate your Telesat decoder and TV. Firstly, take your remote, point it to the TV, make sure that you've got on the right source, which is DTV, digital TV, and press OK. Then go to your decoder. On the decoder will be an on and off button. Press that in and hold it in for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The lights will come on, green and red. They will soon flash, and once they start flashing, then you know your dish is going up and looking for a signal. The dish will go up and start turning around. Depending on where you are parked, it'll take either longer or shorter to find the signal, but you'll know that it's found the signal as soon as the picture comes up on the TV. It might go on and off a few times while it fine tunes, and once it's found the signal perfectly, the picture will stay on permanently. When your dish is going up and your dish is coming down, you will notice the green light on the decoder flashing. Once it has also found signal, it will become a stationary green light indicating that it has found the best signal for you. So when you finish watching TV, there's 2 ways of getting your dish down. You can either press the on-off button in for 5 seconds and hold it in for 5 seconds, then let go. The dish will come down. It won't make a noise, a beep, to indicate that the dish is coming down, so be aware of that. Or you could go to the ignition, start the vehicle, and you will hear an audible beep telling you that the dish is coming down. Once the beeping has stopped, then you know your dish is completely down.